Are you tickling Zena?
Ouch. Ouch.
Are you having fun? What's Danny getting you, Zena? Are you going to go back in, Danny?
No, dear. Here. Back it. Danny, back.
Where's Danny going to go? Oh, be careful. Watch out, Danny. Zena's behind you. Won't you get in the other one, Danny?
That one.
Yeah, the other one. Zena's going to get out. Hi, Zena. Yeah, did you find Caden's passy?
Papa.
Oh, thank you. Good job. Good job. Yeah, good job. Are you going back in, Danny? Okay, give it back to Caden. Thank you. Okay, where's Danny? Oh, there's Danny's. He's hiding. Can you find him? Are you gonna go get him? Go get him, Zena. Go tickle his toes. Are you gonna tickle your own toes? Zena's quick. Get another one, Danny. Yeah, you could take it in there. Good job, Danny. You know how to turn it on. Can you sing, Zena? Can you sing, Danny? That's a unique way of singing. Bye-bye, Zay. You want to close it for her, Danny, when she gets her feet in? She's going to try to close it. She's pretty good there. Wow, good job, Zay. And Danny, too. Peekaboo, I see Zena. Peekaboo, I see Danny. Peekaboo. Zena can't get it closed without squishing her fingers. Are you done there, baby girl? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Danny.
Where are you going?
Danny.
Yes, Daddy. Is that Zena? Yeah, good job.
House.
Whose house are you at?
House.
Are you at Aunt Danica's house?